A little bit further. Oh, good job. Look at you go.
It's like, stop pulling it away from me.
Good job, Keenan.
Yay! Yay! Wait, what? Yay, you got the toy, Keenan. You got it.
You want to sit down?
The amazing crawling boy.
Say ba ba ba.
Notice that he is actually as tall as his mother, and he's only 8 months old.
He's taller than me.
Hey, Keenan, do you want to? Here, show me how you can stand up. Here, look. Here, Keenan. Here. You good?
See? Stand up, Keenan.
There he goes.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Now where are you gonna go?
Now what are you gonna do for the Great Circus?
I love you.
I want those.